Controversial kitchen tools often spark debate among cooks and chefs due to their safety, necessity, or effectiveness. Here are a few that have generated discussion. Some argue that a garlic press crushes garlic too finely, altering its flavor, while others find it a convenient time saver. Purists believe that poaching eggs should be done in a pot of simmering water for the best texture, while others appreciate the simplicity and speed of microwave poachers. In reference to an avocado slicer may be handy for some, critics argue that a good knife can do the job just as well, and specialized tools like these contribute to kitchen clutter. Some find the electric can opener unnecessary and prone to malfunction, preferring the reliability of a manual can opener instead. Banana slicers, which is a tool specifically for slicing bananas, is seen by some as superfluous, as a knife can easily accomplish the task. Mandolin slicers can quickly create uniform slices, but they are notorious for being dangerous and causing injuries if not used with caution. Meat claws often used for shredding meat. Critics argue that a pair of forks can do the job just as well without the need for another tool. Corn kernel strippers. For some folks find them useful for quickly removing corn kernels from the cob, while others believe a knife is just as effective. Strawberry hullers are designed to remove the stem and core of strawberries, but their necessity is often debated, as a small knife can achieve the same result. Bread machines. While convenient for some, purists argue that handmade bread offers better texture and flavor. Let me know in the comments below how you choose to work in the kitchen, either with gadgets or by hand. Since I am a bit old school, I personally find doing things by hand is often better for me. Please like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.